With other global partners, that local boots-on-the-ground service takes a back seat. But not with Alfa Laval's ethanol, starch, and sugar service team. Our dedicated team pairs world-class expertise with Midwestern heart.
We've been in the industry for quite some time now, and we have many people who have studied and know the ethanol industry. I look at it as a local company backed by a global company. We have many different divisions across the world, but we are localized in certain industries and placed in different areas in the U.S. based on those industries to service our customers and provide for their needs. When choosing a service partner, our customers look for a variety of different things, cost definitely being one, but one of the biggest things I think is trust. Who can they trust? And as the OEM, they can 100% trust us. We know plate and frame. We have a variety of different services that we offer, especially in the ethanol industry. That's what sets us apart from our competitors.
Our local service techs can help your ethanol, starch, and sugar plants run more efficiently.
One big surprise that I always hear customers saying is how many services that we provide that they just didn't know about. We have a vast amount of resources all across the world that we can go to. Our approach is giving the customers a long-term solution, looking through their whole process, seeing where we can be more efficient and reduce energy costs and reduce emissions.
Global expertise, local grit. Book your free GPHE visual condition assessment with a local expert today.